is income we receive from at least one of the four factors of production. The factors of production are the building blocks of the economy. They are the inputs we use to produce things so that we can make a profit. The next slide explains the factors of production in more detail. We divide the factors of production into the following four categories. Land, which includes anything that comes from the land, such as minerals, forests, and water. Labor, which refers to the human effort regarding production, that is, workers. Capital, which includes buildings, machinery, etc. And entrepreneurship, or enterprise, which is what we need to combine with the other three factors in order to earn a profit. Each factor of production, when we put it to use, provides us with an income, hence the term factor income. If a company has land with copper deposits, it can make money if it exploits that land. Economists say that land's factor income is rent. When you order a meal in a restaurant, labor includes everything the chefs, waiters, and bartenders do. Capital means different things to different people or businesses. For a taxi driver, it is their car. For a school, books, computers, and desks are capital items. Land, capital, and labor are not worth much if we don't know how to combine them to make a profit. We refer to this skill as enterprise or entrepreneurship. The factor income of enterprise is more difficult to measure than that of land, capital, or labor.